Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a file in Microsoft Loop. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for Microsoft Loop. Now once you're here, on the right side of the screen, click on Sign In, then enter your details. Now once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Microsoft Loop dashboard. You will see all the spaces available in here. Click on the page that you want to insert a file. Now, once you're in the page, place your cursor anywhere in the page that you want to insert the file. Then go to your file, copy it, then just simply paste it in here. Now wait for it to load, save your page, and that's it. That's how you insert a file in Microsoft Loop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.